In this video, we are going to learn how to make a solid object to be a hollow object by using shell command. So let's start. We'll go to Home tab. In that we have solid editing panel. So here we have separate command. We'll click on this arrow. Here we have shell option. We'll click on shell. Now first of all we have to select the object that we have to shell. So this is a complete object. We can select it. Now it is asking to select the remove faces. We select the faces that we want to remove it. You can zoom that faces and select it and then hit enter. Now you have to define the value of thickness that you want to maintain it. So I'm defining here 0.5, enter, enter and enter. So like this way we can make a shell model by using the shell command. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.